Would you wait until you had 1 million followers to start making money online as a content creator? Because here's the thing, if you're waiting for that magic number, you're probably missing out on opportunities sitting right in front of you today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to monetize your content before you hit your first 1,000 followers. These are strategies that real creators are using right now, and trust me, they work even if your audience is small. And I know this because it's basically what I've been spending the last 6 years doing for myself and brands all over the world. Let's dive in and show you how to stop waiting and start earning from your content right now. There is power in being small. Here's the first thing that you need to know. You don't need a massive audience to make money. In fact, smaller, more tight-knit niche audiences can often be more profitable than the massive ones. Why is that? Because smaller audiences tend to be more engaging and trusting. Let's say that you have 500 followers, but 50 of them are diehard fans who engage with everything that you post all the time. That is far more valuable than having 50,000 followers that scroll past your content every day. The key here is connection. If you are looking to monetize your audience, let's say with other brands and businesses, they care less about the size of your audience and more about whether your audience trusts your opinion and follows your every word. If you can nurture that trust by consistently showing up, consistently sharing value, and being authentic, you're already miles ahead of the big creators that are already out there and struggling to turn their audience into that juicy wonga. Affiliate marketing. One of the easiest ways to monetize your following early is through something called affiliate marketing. Essentially, you promote products or services that you genuinely use and absolutely love. And when somebody purchases through your very unique link, you earn a bit of commission. Nowadays, most brands will offer you the opportunity to do this. Yes, they have to give you commission, but it's a sale that you generate for them regardless, and that's better than nothing. And guess what? You don't need a massive following for this. Say, for example, that you are a fitness creator, you could promote your favorite workout gear or supplements. Or maybe you're into tech, so you share your favorite budget-friendly microphone and cameras for content creation. The key here to making this work is authenticity. Don't just promote random products that you've used once or maybe you've never used before and you don't really care about. Choose things that align with your content and provide value to your audience because you are genuinely interested or you use it for yourself. Sell what you already know. Another really powerful way to monetize your small following is by leaning into build once and sell forever types of digital products. If you have expertise in anything, and I literally mean anything, you can turn that experience and knowledge into a pretty well-paid revenue stream. For example, are you great at editing videos? In that case, create a mini course or an ebook teaching others how to do it themselves. Do you have a knack for productivity? Sell a Notion template or a content calendar. Are you a fan of cooking? Share your top 10 meal prep recipes as a PDF. Digital products are incredible because they require a lot of upfront effort, but you can generate passive income over the long term. You build them once and they sell forever. And here's the kicker, you don't need a giant audience to sell these. You just need to solve a specific problem for the people who already follow you, no matter how large your audience is. As long as you are talking to the right type of person, you're going to get sales. Paid communities and coaching. Now, if you're already creating content that people find valuable, why not offer them exclusive access to a form of club or membership or community? Paid communities or coaching programs are a fantastic way to monetize early, and I know this because I run one myself. It's called the Content Club and it helps professionals to level up their videos, and it's been a really powerful play. For example, let's say that you are a content creator sharing social media tips. You could start a private group of members where they pay a small monthly fee to get deeper insights, live Q&As, or one-to-one coaching sessions with you. People are willing to pay for access to someone who can help them save time, avoid many mistakes, and help them to achieve their goals much faster. It doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a very small platform like Patreon or Discord or even a Facebook group. But if you're looking to really ramp things up and take things to the next level, platforms like School, Circle, or Heartbeat are really powerful ways that make you look much more professional. Virtual workshops and webinars. If you already have a business or maybe you are a freelancer, the chances are your audience values your expertise. Hosting a form of paid virtual workshop or webinar can be a really great way to monetize your knowledge whilst building a deeper connection with your audience. Here's how it works. Choose a specific topic. Pick something that you're already an expert in that solves a clear problem for your audience. For example, it could be that you're a marketing consultant. Host a workshop creating a 30-day content plan. Keep it interactive. People are willing to pay for live experiences where they can ask questions and get personalized advice. So make it engaging with Q&A sessions or breakout groups or live demonstrations. Promote to your audience. Since your audience already trusts you, they'll see the value in paying for a deeper level of expertise, and use this through email newsletters, LinkedIn posts, and your existing content channels to promote your workshop. Charge for access. You don't need hundreds of attendees to make this worthwhile. Even a small group of people paying £50 to £100 per person can generate some really significant revenue. What's key to remember is that workshops are not about making money. They're also a really powerful way to establish you as an authority in your field that can lead to more opportunities like consulting gigs or collaborations in the future. So there you have it, 5 actionable ways to start monetizing your content no matter how small your audience is right now. The most important thing is just don't wait. Your audience, no matter how small, is is valuable. If you show up, if you deliver value, and you focus on building trust, you can start earning from them right now. If you're serious about becoming a full-time content creator, hit that subscribe button and join me on this wild journey, and I'll be sharing more tips like this to help you grow, monetize, and succeed online. And if you fancy trying to get into the content club at the end of this month, join the waitlist. The link is in the description below, and you'll receive weekly updates, information, and exclusive content up until the day that the doors open for 25 new members. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out this other video that I created. I think it's quite cool. And hit subscribe if you're not already to join me on the journey. I shall see you in the next video. Ciao.